Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, out of love to us, out of his extreme love to us, he taught us everything to protect us from any harm. Dua when you wake up, dua when you leave the house, dua when you get inside the car, dua when you get into the market, dua before you eat, dua after you eat, dua when you come back home, dua before you sleep, everything. And subhanallah, when Allah Azza wa Jal wants to put a barakah in someone's ilm, in someone's knowledge, just like the Shaykh al-Qahtani, who made this small book and he named it Fortress of the Muslim. I don't think anybody here does not know about this book or does not even have this book. Allah put so much barakah in this book that it's translated to many languages. It's an app. Everywhere you look, you will find it. And he gathered all the du'as that Rasulullah ﷺ taught us. And literally, I love the name so much. Fortress of the Muslim. And it's a true fortress. Literally, Rasulullah ﷺ, if you want to be prevented from the jinn, say this. Before you sleep, say this. Literally, it's a barrier between us and any harm. طيب, what is the dua for tonight? Many people complain about the jinn. And when is the most time that the jinn attack? When we're sleeping. Because when you are remembering Allah, you are creating that barrier. When we sleep, we stop remembering Allah. It's an open field. Yalla. Right? So, Rasulullah ﷺ taught us that before you sleep, many of us know Ayat al-Kursi, last two ayah of Surah al-Baqarah, Subhanallah 33, Alhamdulillah 33, Allahu Akbar 34, Qul huwa Allahu ahad al-falaq al-nas 3 times each, and you wipe your body. We all know these du'as. And this dua, some scholars says, say it before you sleep, and some said, say it if you have any nightmares. إِذَا فَزِعَ أَحَدُكُمْ. You're sleeping and you get up right away, something happened. And it happens many times to our children, right? If someone gets scared and he got up in the middle of the night because he saw something evil, and evil dreams are from the shaitan. We all know that. فَلْيَقُلْ. Let him say, أعوذ بكلمات الله التامة من غضبه وعقابه وشر عباده ومن الشيطان ومن همزات الشياطين وأن يحضرون. أعوذ بالله، أعوذ بكلمات الله التامة من غضبه وعقابه وشر عباده ومن همزات الشياطين وأن يحضرون. I seek refuge with the best and perfect words of Allah Azza wa Jal from what? From His anger. I cannot afford Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to be angry with me. From His punishment. And from the evil of His servants. Anyone who's plotting for me, anyone planning things for me, anyone speaking behind my back ill, anything, any shar that might come from His ibad, Ya Allah, protect me from it. And this is the key here. وَمِنْ هَمَزَاتِ الشَّيَاطِينَ. And from the whispers of the shayateen. Watch this. Listen to this. Go there. Say this about your brother. This is all whispers of the shayateen, and we all face them. And if we are not strong, they can get a hold of us. And we could fall in this trick. وَمِنْ هَمَزَاتِ الشَّيَاطِينَ وَأَنْ يَحْضُرُونَ. And Ya Allah, protect me that they come. And stopped here. Come what? Aha, subhanallah. Do you know how many people tell me, Sheikh, shaitan comes to me in sujood. Shaitan comes to me in tawaf. Shaitan comes to me during dua. So here, Ya Allah, protect me from them to come in these positions during my ibadah. And the most important place that, Ya Allah, I want you to protect me from them is when? On my deathbed. Islam is wrong. Forget about Muhammad. Subhanallah. So if it was my habit all the time to say this dua, bi'idhnillah, I will be protected the most time that I need to be protected, which is on my deathbed. I don't want to leave my deen on my deathbed. وَأَنْ يَحْضُرُونَ, and the majority of the ulama said, يَحْضُرُونَ means on my deathbed, when I'm taking my last breath and they start whispering, I want to say La ilaha illallah, and they're telling me no. No, 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 don't, because we always hear that the shayateen are the most active when I'm about to leave this dunya, because they're gonna miss leading me astray. So they put all the effort possible to get me to lose my deen. So Ya Allah, protect me at that moment. So repeat after me, inshallah. أعوذ بكلمات الله التامة من غضبه وعقابه وشر عباده ومن همزات الشياطين وأن يحضرون. May Allah protect us all.
Are you tired of all these annoying ads on YouTube? Are you worried that a haram video might pop up? Well, the One Islam TV app is here to solve these problems, inshallah. The One Islam TV app is 100% free of any ads and is safe to browse for your peace of mind. Watch or listen to lectures and lessons while you work, rest, or drive with your device switched off. Watch videos on demand or download videos and watch offline. Watch hundreds of high-quality produced Islamic reminders, Quran learning videos, stories of the prophets, and so much more. 2 to 4 new videos uploaded daily, inshallah. One Islam TV is 100% run and owned by Muslims, which means a small amount you pay for your subscription is a SADAQAH JARIYAH, continuous charity for you, as we use the funds raised to continue producing more beneficial videos and reminders, inshallah. The One Islam TV app is now available on Apple devices, Apple TV, Android devices, Android TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Roku, so you can watch on most devices and smart TVs. Download now for a free 7-day trial. May Allah reward you for supporting our work.